Alright, what's good, people? It's your boy Trill, Hyyer Gardening. Got the gloves on. Super late on doing this harvest for these sweet potatoes. Hopefully a lot of them ain't too bad, but there's a lesson in this. Always handle business when it needs to be handled. The pea plant is doing fine from the debacle of the deer that happened. Growth looking good. I believe I planted some random spinach, I believe. Growing beautifully. God is perfect. Woo! It looks so beautiful. Woo! Woo! Ah! Now, for the finale. Well, not the finale, but the main event and shit. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna dump. Got my handy dandy shovel. And I'm gonna reupholster the soil and plant a few pea plants. Got there the roots are. Yeah, baby. Gold already. Yeah. Vine to the side. Soil still looks healthy. Everything good. This one I know is good. The vein purple, baby. We in that game, baby. I mean. That gold, what? Hey. What Cuz said in the song. Hold up. I like extra high. When I smoke, I see kaleidoscopes. Okay. Hot. Even if that's all I get, I'm happy and satisfied and very appreciative. Alright. Get that core motherfucker right there. Thank you. Appreciative. Throw this in there. Mortuary. Boom. Damn. Yeah, baby. Stress and building up. Heard that I'm the realest niggas in the. Say some of these roots. Purple one. Soil's still great. I know the moisture in the air from being cold. We're in Montgomery, Alabama, if y'all don't know. But yeah, I know the cold, the moisture is helping it retain water as opposed to being extra dry. Haven't been taking too much care of most of my plants. Been figuring life out. A lot of changes finna happen, as y'all will see soon in the very near future. It's all good, you know what I'm saying? Say that root. Say that one too. I think that is from the main pot. Very happy with that turnout. Extremely satisfied. Say that root. Baby. Roots, shake. Go. Boom. Highly satisfying. God is perfect, man. Hey, look. When you know you're supposed to do some shit, do it. But everything happens for a reason, and you get the lesson in so many ways. You just gotta be open to it. Take the dry part out. Side right now. Keep playing along. Alright. Baby on here. Boom. This way. Really good roots. These are organic yam as well, so you can see the purple. Strong. They use the roots and the coloring to dye things. Different tinctures and stuff like that. Yam root, very good. Yam's good for you. So a little bushel here. Little babies on this one, almost threw us away. Extra little babies. Put these to the side. I'm gonna do a random experiment with those. That one's there. Double check this one more again. Up, baby. Another baby. Yup. Gotta sift through. Gotta double check. Got double and triple checks, man. Where's that wings playing? Real player type shit. Niggas pushing P. Push P for productive, motherfucker. I'm saying. Alright, pot number 2. Squat one. You see this vine pulls from far because yam roots do what they want to do. Other bushes and things of that nature. Snap.
Self-care isn't skin deep. Good thing almonds have it. Yeah, huh? Almonds have 50%.
Alright. This one, planted same day. Check the roots. Let it dry. It's vining out. Coming out with a baby. Dust off this mud. Got an extra dry out. This bushel to the side. Another baby right at the root. Came from the immediate dry root. Little babies here. Odd one right there. That big nasty motherfucker at the bottom, huh? Wow. Damn. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, that was the bottom of this thing. Cause this pot has like a cross at the bottom of it. So I guess they settled where it was darkest, as potatoes do, as they should. Sticking to their nature. Nocturnal. This soil, alright. Oh, anyone on this one? Soil's still very good. I'm glad I have some mixing abilities. Yam, long root, or odd bark. Well, yam, so, you know, they come how they come. say that. We're gonna sift through this. Productive harvest for what they were in, especially the small one or the smaller one. It's not enough, especially the pea plant. Got that one. Now, use this 3-finger fork. Rake out just to see. Save some roots. Just in case. You don't want to miss nothing. And exclusive girls too. The money's staying on my mind. Remember one thing, we always gonna stay solid. Alright, I think we good. I'm not gonna give y'all the everything. It's part of the recipe. I know some people feel the way about Miracle Grow, but guess what? I bought this damn near when I started gardening, so fuck it. Use all what I got till it's over, you feel me? And the Miracle Grow definitely gonna be for 3 pots, because I'm gonna use this pot right here. 4. And I'm gonna redo this pot, plant something. Boom. Where's the rake? 3. Definitely will be planting a potato back in. And it's supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow morning. Today is January 24th, 2022.
Hey there, you get some gas? I just used your squeegee. Well, no gas, no squeegee. No gas,
Supposed to rain on the 25th. So
now free squeegee. Now free squeegee. Evolve your journey to the first ever Santa Fe plug-in hybrid.
go ahead and get some stuff situated and go ahead and get started. You know, some people feel the way about doing certain things in the winter. There's certain plants you can plant, and I'm definitely planting another. Like I said, sweet potato, pea plant. Pea plant, very resilient and strong. A little bit of that. Alright, got the basics done. I'm gonna bring that weed through. Alright, so here we go. Give y'all the up close and personal. Look at that gold, man. Beautiful. Fit my whole hand. It's two really big. It's a few big ones. Extra long. Healthy roots, good, beautiful color. Yeah, man. Another big guy right there. Got a big ass coat, the time is These are the roots I'll be saving. Plant some of those, see what they do, especially this guy right here. Wasn't done. See what you gonna do. Alright? Again, it's your boy Trill with Hyyer. Hyyer living, Hyyer Co. Remember, peace, not apart, together. And like the design, that's right there. Intertwine, you divine. Jabez.